Hello everyone, welcome to AIDB Hub channel. In this video, we are going to see Oracle 19c to Oracle AI Database 26 AI Database Upgrade, Post Upgrade Task, PDB, Time Zone, File Upgrade, step by step. So we seen in my last two videos, I demonstrated Oracle 19c to Oracle AI Database 26 AI upgrade through auto upgrade utility. So after upgrading Oracle 19c to Oracle AI Database 26 AI as a PDB, you must update the time zone file version. Example, actual the AI database CDB version 43 plus using DBMS underscore DST to ensure data integrity, particularly for timestamp with time zone columns. Key steps involve checking current version, enabling restriction mode, updating the version, and verifying the $P time zone file. So here I have prepared the high level steps to upgrade time zone in the Pluggable database. In that root container, it is the time zone version, it is version 43, right? And also you can see in the Pluggable database, in the Pluggable database, it was 32, version 32. Okay, you can see the steps. Check that current time zone version, run the following query in the PDB, verify the current version. Okay, we verified that. Select star from $V time zone file. And also verify upgrade necessity. Check if a newer version exists in the Oracle 26 AI home. Let's check this one. Okay. So newer version, it is available up to 43. Okay. So we verified, right? So prepare the PDB. Open the PDB in restricted mode to ensure no active session interfere. And in this database, there are no active sessions. Okay. So I am going to keep this as a pluggable database as a open restricted mode. And then you can see the restricted column was yes, post opening this database. Now, so PDBs, you can see the database now restricted session enabled. Okay. So what next steps? Run time zone upgrade dbms underscore dst. Use this daemon upgrade package to upgrade the time zone file. Note, if only upgrading the file version, no data changes. You can directly prepare and upgrade. So we are going to upgrade only the file version because there is no data integrity, and I mean that the pluggable database, there is no any data, application data or anything. We no need to put a container as a upgrade mode, and now you can see it will also migrate. Okay, so now we can go with that pluggable database and run this. Okay, I will close it. Close. Now we can open read write. Okay, so we can do the save state. Now let us check. So 43, right? And what is the steps? Verify upgrade. Return your query step 1 to confirm the new select star from VW time zone file. Okay, and then now we checked in that PDB container database container level. We'll go and check that PDB level. Okay. So you can see. So we have successfully upgraded the time zone file and the pluggable database. So we have achieved post migration task as well. So we have completed. Okay.